So most people don't realize that it's truly a game and you can interact and control everything.
It's mesmerizing because when you enter the room, you'll be mesmerized by the environment.
Because it's a 360 environment, so it's literally all around you. It's thought-provoking because we hope that the audience will leave with a lot of thoughts and ideas.
Hi, I'm Izin from Dynamic Hub at SIT.
Hi, I'm Elizabeth, the founder and artistic director of Rain Shadow Studios, and today we're here to answer some questions about scarcity. What's your background, and have you ever thought that it will lead you to create scarcity? So my background is as an interdisciplinary artist and theatrical designer. I spent over 15 years working in scenic, lighting and multimedia design, doing plays, musicals, dance. I'm also the founder of Rain Shadow Studios, which is a climate arts nonprofit. I don't think that I would ever have imagined that I would create a project like Scarcity, but it's very meaningful to me and I hope people will enjoy it. And what about you, Etin?
My background is I'm an engineer in training and ongoing for around 10 years. I specialize in 3D printing and with the occasional dabbling in design work such as origami or, let's say, designing for non-profit. Whether I'll be doing exhibitions such as Scarcity, I don't ever think I would, but seeing it come to life is something different. What is the inspiration behind the exhibition?
So the inspiration behind Scarcity is Kate Raworth's donut economics theory. So we're really familiar with this idea of infinite GDP growth, this chart that keeps going up and up. So instead, she proposed this idea of the donut. So every donut has two rings, right? So the inner ring is a social foundation. Every society needs things like access to food, water, healthcare. But also you don't want to cross the outer ring, which is the ecological ceiling. We don't want things like all the plants and animals to die. We don't want climate change. We don't want global warming. So if you come to Scarcity, you can figure out how donut economics inspired the game and the exhibition.
Any memorable moments during your collaboration? So, what I like about this exhibition or collaboration that we do is seeing how the digital file, right, they come to life in physical format, such as this.
Yeah, I remember that was one of the first designs, the wave design, and we were still trying to decide what material to use.
Same for me, because I think as an engineer, I'm kind of this kind of design, but when I saw how the light diffuse, then it also created something like this.
Yeah, so this one was our icicle design. So I remember we tried a lot of different kind of weird shapes, like this more alien type shape.
So looking at how all these prototypes that we did, right, then with the handphone light just to do the very first initial how it looked, very satisfying to see.
Yes. How did you decide on using 3D printing technology? As the designer, I knew that I was looking for a material that would allow me to diffuse light. It needed to be structurally durable, right? Because we needed the exhibition to last for many months. I was really excited about how it allows me as the designer to have a high degree of control over the design.
Our initial experience when we were talking, I introduced the injection molding and vacuum forming, but those are not the best method to create rocks of various design, such as this entire room consisting of 1,700 different designs. So using 3D printing, right, we have created such a big exhibition, and I think it's the right choice for us to use it.
What's unique about this installation? I think for me, what's really, really cool is that this entire 3D printed facade is made out of rPET material. So rPET is recycled PET, and PET is the thing that our Coke bottles and our Sprite bottles are made out of. So I remember as a climate artist, I remember telling you that it was very important that we 3D print this whole exhibition out of something that is recycled.
Yes.
So I'm really excited that we managed to make it happen, and I think it makes it very unique.
Yeah. Then for me, the uniqueness about this installation, the scale of it. Because for an art exhibition in this scale, I would say is one of the few biggest immersive 3D printed experience in the world, where each design of the rock actually serve a purpose to diffuse the light, making them an important part of the exhibition rather than just being a facade. What's something you would like people to take away from this exhibition?
I think we shouldn't say too much because we shouldn't spoil it.
Yes, I agree with you.
Great. So maybe I'll just say Scarce City opens 11 January 2025 at National Gallery Singapore. We'll be here Fridays, Saturday and Sundays, so come by.
Yeah, experience this for yourself.